Let's see if he'll be finished and the referee jumps in.
The referee's trying to give him a chance, of course.
Isa na namang magandang balita mga idol para sa ating mga Pinoy boxing fans dahil nagbigay na naman ng isang magandang karangalan nito lamang Oktubre ng 23. Ang ating kababayan na may alias na Dreamer na tubong Negros Occidental na si J.R. Raquenel, isang 25 anyos. At dahil sa kasipagan ng ating kababayan sa pagtitraining ay nagbunga nga po ang kasipagan ng ating kababayan kontra sa undefeated South African champion na si Landy Nangsike. Sa kanilang sagupuan ay mayroong record dito sa Raquenel na 12 wins, 9 dito ay panalo galing sa knockout. Samantalang ang South African champion naman ay mayroong record dito na 9 wins, 4 dito ay galing sa knockout at wala pang bahid na pagkatalo. At ang laban na po nila ay para sa WBO Intercontinental Junior Bantamweight title. Kaya't halina't panoorin mga idol kung paano ang pandaraya ang ginawa ni referee na inawat lang para mailigtas ang kanyang kababayan.
There's Filipino. Well, we saw now last fight, we saw Filipino work. When it's getting the South African, Brian, these are big punches coming from Raquenel.
Unang round pa lang, matitinding kombinasyon agad ang pinapakawalan ng ating pambato.
He looks dry, so he might not maybe be still didn't have a good warm-up. I can hardly see any sweat on his body, the South African naked. So he warmed up. He spoke up. Raquenel, it's not holding. It is for the vacant WBO International Junior Bantamweight over 12 rounds, and also the Brian Junior Bantamweight. These guys look too big for Junior Bantamweight. They're pretty big. They look big. So I think I'm bigger guy altogether. That's why they in this weight division. Yes. Now Mike now starting to come off his chair now. He was trying all his shots and he's coming fast. There's no doubt about that. It's not also waiting to worry about now the rounds, 12 rounds. He says, I don't care, 12 rounds or not. That's Ayanda Matiti, promoter of this tournament. Is also the Raquenel's corner. Trainer that's Alan Alondria, assistant there. Round number 2 of the final bout of the afternoon. Look at that nice left uppercut there from Raquenel, followed by right hand. Can you guys hear me from the good? I can't hear myself. Look at that. So it's a powerful punch. It's a left hand.
Dito sa ikalawang round, nakatama agad ng maraming kombinasyon ang ating pambato. Talagang napaatras dito ang kalaban.
But one thing I can tell you about this fight here is not going to be the last fight now, where we're going to be quiet now for the first 6 rounds. The Filipino Raquenel and JR winning the first round. Definitely won the first round, right? And now Mike is trying to come back into the fight now, hoping to win the round number 2. He cannot afford to win the 2 the first two opening rounds in a row. Oh, he even looks the part. I must say, he looks very well.
Dito na nga nakatikim ng malamasong suntok ang kalaban at parang pose itong bumagsak.
Let's see if he'll be finished and the referee jumps in.
It's over. Well, the referee's trying to give him a chance, of course. Luma in charge, a great referee.
The referee's giving every chance. The fight is exactly 3 of them is 2-1 and then only 1 loss. Yes. But yes, what a great win for Gerard Raquinel, stopping the South African. Sadly to say, Battle of the Nations was won by the Philippines today. Exactly. And you know, handing Latile man down like his first loss as a professional. What a way really to lose, Brian. Second round knockout. It was cold. And I said, you know, obviously I really want South Africans to win, but it is also good for boxing. That the foreigners come out here and they get a fair deal firstly in the last fight, yes, with fair distance. And well, obviously this guy just won his style. These guys were coming out to win from the Philippines. That's right, yeah. That KOs him and 15-5. None of them are KOs. So definitely, the right
Dahil sa napakagandang panalo ng Pinay na si Raquinel ay ginulat ang bansang Africa nang pabagsakin lamang ng kanilang kababayan sa ikalawang round. At kahit pa nga iniligtas ito ni referee dahil inawat po ito para makapagpahinga. Pero dahil dayuhan lang tayo ay ipinanalo na lang ng Pinoy by a technical knockout. Maraming salamat mga idol dahil hanggang dulo ay nanunood pa rin po kayo. God bless you mga idol.